Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can create a drop down menu using HTML and CSS. Here is a demo of this project. When you hover the mouse on the particular link, then you will able to see the drop down menu has been appeared. Then you will able to see different links appeared on there. So I'm gonna teach you how you can create that. So I go to my code editor. First I'm gonna leave that and leave this one. I go to my code editor, right click it and open with live server, and then I'm gonna show you the image. This is the first one image, we will use that, and this is a style sheet, also empty. So let's get started to work on that. Step number one, my navbar start, and this will be close, and I'm going to leave this one, right? And first thing I'm going to use header. Inside header I'm going to create a navbar to make a navigation bar, but before creating a navigation bar we need to display the logo. So I'm going to use H1. Inside there I'm going to use anchor link, and there I'm going to use OnlineITtuts. So I'm going to assign class also our logo. Then inside the navigation bar, menus, clause. So you need to use UL, li tag, anchor link, right? Inside there I'm going to use, this will be index.html, and this will be home, and this will be about, then about services, and this will be contact, right? So inside the services, just a minute, I'll use this way, sorry for that, I use this way guys, sorry for that. Inside this is a complete UL tag, right? So I'm going to use this will be about services, and this will be contact, right? I'll leave the other links without the index.php because we don't need that. So when you will, first I'm going to save that, and let's see, this output has been appeared on there. So I want to create a submenu inside the services page or inside the services link. So I go to this one area, right? Inside the services anchor link clause, I'm going to use UL, li, and this will be our submenus. So first thing I'm going to use web designing, and the second one will be web development, and third one will be digital marketing, and fourth will be desktop apps. So sir, let's see on the output. This is the output of the particular code, right? Then we're gonna discuss how we can add the image and how we can apply the CSS to display the menu and also submenus. Before working on that, so I'm gonna use font away some, sorry for that, Google fonts. Google fonts will be Poppins, so you need to get the fonts from there. So I'm gonna use import, and this will be copy, and go to your style CSS based on there. Inside there, first thing I'm gonna use padding 0, means I reset all the things which used to default browser settings. So I'm going to use box sizing border box. So let's see, right? Then the next thing I'm going to use also on their text decoration is none, because I don't need to use that again and again, right? Then the next thing I'm going to use font family on there will be Poppins. I'm going to copy this one from Google, just a minute, Poppins. So we will get that, right? Once you do that, then we will able to work on the image tag. I mean, we will get the image inside the header. So first I'm going to use menus, navigation bar, close. This will be start. So first you need to target the header tag, and inside the header tag first I'm going to add the image. So image have outside of the particular directory. I'm going to show you. So inside the CSS folder, style folder have a CSS. I want to get the image from outside of this folder. The image image appeared inside the img folder. So we need to use dot means outside of this one folder, and get the image folder. Inside the image folder image name. Then I'm going to use no repeat, center cover. I want to display all the thing inside the center, and I want to use no repeat. Then I need to use height of the image, right? So this is our image. Then the next thing we need to work on the navigation bar, right? So first I'm going to use nav. So the first thing, background color, and I'm going to use width 100%, and height we need to use 60 pixel. So let's see, right? So this is our navigation bar. Inside there we will display the menus. Then I'm going to target the nav.logo. So color will be 333 means black. Font size will be 24 pixel. Line height I'm going to use that to 55 pixel, and also I'm going to use float left. I want to display the logo in the left side, so we need to use float left. First save that, and let's see, the logo has been appeared inside the left position, right? Then I'm going to use padding 0 pixel top and bottom, and left and right will be 20 pixels. So let's see, right? Then we're gonna work on the UL tag. So I'm gonna use nav UL. First I'm gonna use float left because I want to display the logo and menu on the left side. First I'm gonna show you save, right? But I want to display those menu in the right side, so I need to use right, save, right, as you can see. But I leave the default will be left. Then the next thing we need to work on the nav UL tag. First I'm going to use same thing, float left, because I want to display the links inside the left side, and I want to remove the bullets, so I need to use list style type none. So let's see, right? So the bullets have been removed from the links. Then the next thing we need to work on the anchor link which appeared inside the UL li anchor link. The first thing you need to use display block. Font size I'm going to use 60 pixel. Color will be black, and I'm going to use padding that 60 pixel top and bottom and 40 pixel left and right. So let's see. So those are our menus, but as you can see there is a space. We will work on that to remove the space, and then we will able to see our menus will appear inside the services page or inside the services link. Let's see. So I think we need to use drop down menus, start, and this will be close, right? So let's work on that. So first thing you need to find the li tag, nav ul li tag. Inside the li tag you need to use position relative. once you add the relative position, then you will able to use absolute position inside the UL tag. I'm going to show you. So you need to assign that this is a parent of this one UL, so you need to assign the position relative inside the li tag, then you will able to use the position absolute on this one section. First save that. I'm going to show you okay, one more thing we need to do, then we are able to see our drop down menus will appear inside the services page. So inside there I'm going to use nav UL ul tag, we need to target that, and inside there we need to use position absolute. First save that. Let's see. As you can see, right, then the next thing we need to assign the background color. I'm going to use white, and first I'm going to use first save that. Let's see, right, then the next thing I'm going to leave that, and I'm going to use nav ul li tag. Inside I'm going to show you, inside this one UL have a li tag, so I am able to target this one to manage the width and also display the border and also background color. So first I'm going to use width 200 pixel, and I'm going to use line height will be 1.2 em, and border will be 1 pixel solid, and border color will be light gray. First save that. Let's see. As you can see, so I think everything is perfect. Then the next thing we need to target the UL anchor link. I'm going to show you inside the li tag have an anchor link, so we need to target that. So I'm going to use anchor link. Inside there I'm going to use padding, top and bottom 10 pixel and left and right 40 pixels. So let's see, right, so everything I think perfect on there, but I'll leave this one padding. Then I'm gonna share, I want to use padding top and bottom will be 12. Perfect. I think this will be perfect, right? Then the next thing we need to target the hover effect. Means when I hover the mouse on the services, then we will able to see the drop down menu will appear, right? So let's see. I need to use, first I'm gonna target this one. First I'm gonna use display block and display none, because I want to hide the drop down menu. When user will hover the mouse on there, then I want to display the links or drop down menu. So I'm going to target same thing, li hover the UL tag, right? Inside there I'm going to use display block. So let's see, as you can see, right? Then the last thing I'm going to add that to nav ul li anchor link to hover the mouse, and I want to change the background color will be light gray and text color will be black. So let's see, as you can see guys, this is our menu, submenus. Last thing I'm going to show you, I want to display those are in the center, right? This is a basically, this is a on the left side, right? But I want to display this one on the center of this one page, right? When the browser size will increase 1100, then I want to display the content in the center. So I'm going to show you. So I go to this one area and copy cut this one area, right? Without just I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use class container. Inside there I'm gonna paste that, right? Then you need to copy the container class, go to styles.css, and I'm gonna add on there. First I'm gonna use width 1100 pixel, and margin left and right will be 0 pixel, and top and bottom 0, and left and right will be auto. So let's see. As you can see guys, our menu has been appeared inside the center. When so this is the left side, when this will be reached on the complete page, then our menu has been appeared inside the center. So here is the menus. So I hope this is a very simple project all about HTML and CSS. I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.